Hello guys, I have a question for you. If you were in a car that you bought and you have a license, but the brakes won't work, and you can either save the kid or the old man, who would you save? The old man, he'll just die. He'll just die because he's 95 years old. But a kid, you, I'd save the kid because he has a whole life in front of him. Mame,
Yes.
comment down below who would you save?
You will save the kid?
Yes, Mame. Because the old man is gonna die anyways. Diba?
Kawawa naman yung old man. Why not try to find another solution like driving your car in a more safe direction that you would not be able to bump the kid and the old man.
But Mame,
Mm-hmm.
yung brakes mo hindi na will work.
Ah.
So what would you hit? The backup brakes. Diba?
Mm. Marunong ka mag-drive.
I got you real good, Mame.
Ah.
But if you had no backup brakes and your brakes is broken, then who would you hit?
Who?
Me. I'll just hit the old man because he's already 99 years old.
Sabi mo 95, ngayon 99 naman. So 95 na yung old man.
Hindi, 99.
Oh, 99. So anyway, he had lived a long life. So I guess, yeah, you're correct. You will save the boy, the little boy.
Yes.
The
Diba?
kid. Yes.
Who would you save?
The kid. And then I will just say sorry to the old man. Diba?
Guys,
If I don't have any choice at all.
Oh, okay.
But if I still have a choice, like there's still a certain direction where I could drive my car there and no one will be hurt, then maybe I could do that.
But
even
Mom,
if I
by
will be
railway, Mom,
hard a bit about it.
But Mom, there's a railway on the track.
Oh, ganun ba?
Yes.
So there's no other way or
But
no...
there's one way. You can just move backwards.
So you will just move backward. What if the back of your car, there are also some cars? What will you do?
Then try to pull the car with all the people.
And you cannot brake. The car will not stop. So which will you really choose?
To hit?
To hit.
The old man because
The old man.
because he's gonna die anyways. 99 nga siya.
Oh, siya, sige.
Guys,
Sorry na lang kay Lolo.
Guys.
Sorry, Lolo.
Guys, comment down below which is the right choice. I don't actually really know. But the kid, on the other hand, has a life in front of him.
Still a long way to go.
Ayaw niya mag-die muna.
So you will save the kid.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye guys. Like and subscribe for more videos or questions videos. Bye.